Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So on your Windows computer, when you try to perform system restore, and if you're receiving this error which says system restore encountered an error, please try to run system restore again. Error code is 0x81000203. So if you're receiving this error, then please follow the steps shown in this video. So you can close this and then open registry editor. So type in registry editor in Windows search box and then click on registry editor. Now click on yes to allow. Now over here, go to this location. So you can expand SQ local machine, then go to system, then current control set, expand control, expand class, and then find this. Or you can simply copy this location. And in the registry editor on the very top, you can paste the location and then hit the enter key. It will straight away select this location. Now once this is selected, now on the right hand side, make a right click and then select new and then click on multi-string value. Now make a right click on new value and then click on rename and then name it as UpperFilters. UPPER F ILTERS upper filters. So you have to type in upper filters, name this as upper filters. Now make a double click and in value data you have to type in volume snap. So it's VOLSNAP without any space and then click on OK. And if you receive this warning, data of type cannot contain empty string, registry will remove all empty strings from. Click on OK. Still go ahead and click on OK. Now once you have this, now restart your computer. Make sure that you restart your computer. Restart is compulsory. So restart your computer. Now after the system restart, you can try to open system restore and you can perform system restore. You should not receive the error message again. So here you can see I'm not receiving the error message. So this is how you can get rid of the error. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.